Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here to share the new releases that are coming out this Friday. So by the time you're seeing this, they may already be out. I'm not sure when I'm posting this video, to be quite honest with you. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to show you is this little mini sheet. This is the Bujo Basics mini sheet. So this is available with a white background, a craft background, and a blackout background. The blackout background has white text instead of black. And you have to do priorities and events. So this is the Bujo Basics mini sheet. The next thing I want to show you is a stencil, and I have to figure out how to show you. Does this give... Okay. So this is the butterfly stencil. So you can use this with infusible inks or distress oxide inks or any sort of ink pad. So you can see there's a very thin outline here, and then you have each of the wings of a butterfly. So you could do this either by tracing the outline with a fine liner, or you can go in with the inks and get the outline as well. So that is the butterfly stencil. Now, just a reminder that this kit was sent as a patron rewards. So if you are ever interested, sign up on Patreon. They get first dibs at every single Patreon kit that comes out. So this was the May Patreon kit, which was the butterfly one. They also vote on the stickers and things like that. And they get some exclusive sheets with this. So I will go ahead and leave all the Patreon information down in the description below. So the first thing we have is the full kit. So all of these sheets are available a la carte. This is the Bujo monthly sticker kit. So you can see you have the header sheets. You have an art sheet, the weekly header sheet, the banners, plus some small washi, and then the full washi. This washi is large enough for a B5 notebook and can be cut down for an A5 or any other smaller notebook. All of these are available a la carte. This 5-page is the full kit. This 3-page is the mini kit. And like I said, each one can be available a la carte as well. So that is the Bujo monthly version of the butterfly kits. We also have the vertical weekly version of the kit. So we have some full box headers, some little mini dividers. All of these parts are also removable, and you can use any of the headers as well. So we have the full box sheet, we have the half boxes, another extra full box, some habit trackers, some more dividers, some different size boxes, and then we have the Monday through Sunday, and then we have some washi, some glitter headers, the Monday through Sunday sheet, the weekend, and then a ton of icons. So this is the weekly version. So this is the mini kit, and then each of the pages is available a la carte as well. And then we have the journaling kit. This is very fairly new to the community, but I really have enjoyed using this specifically for my traveler's notebook. So this is a 2-page kit, and it can be combined with any of the other ones. So you have some boxes, you have some weekly sections, you have some arrows, and then some mini headers up here. And then you have all of your little journaling, memory keeping art components as well. So this is just a 2-page mini kit. So that is all of the butterfly stuff. The one other butterfly item is the 4x6 or the 5x7 So this is a reusable sticker book. You can put stickers on here and then take them off because this is sticker paper. It's also available as a 5x7 pocket notebook so that you can keep your sticker kits and put them in pockets. So we have Changes Beautiful on the front and then another butterfly image on the back. So that is the sticker album that is also available. And then the last thing is a new kit as well. So we have, So we have the full kit for the fireworks kit. So obviously perfect for July. We have the headers, the art deco page, the weekly, the banners, and the washi tape. Basically, this is just, as a kit, it's basically just a party. Again, available as a full kit, as a mini kit, or a la carte. Next, we have the weekly version of this. So this is for a vertical week kit. So we have all of the full box headers. We have some dividers down here. We have the boxes, full box, habit trackers. I'm losing my brain here. And then the Monday through Sunday banners, headers, daily headers. I don't know. My brain hurts. We have the washi with the glitter headers. And again, glitter headers here, the glitter washi, and then icons as well. I really like the pairing of like the really pastel colors with the darker fireworks. I really, really love that. And then again, we have the journaling kit. So you have your boxes, your headers, arrows, Monday through the weekend, and then you have some other journaling components, and then your art deco sheet. So that is everything that is getting released on Friday. If it's released already, it releases at 3 p.m. on Friday. What's the actual day? On Friday, June 3rd. So that is everything coming out. If you are interested in being a patron, again, I will leave that information down below. The June kit for patrons is going to be a tea party kit. It's going to have a little bit of Alice in Wonderland vibes as well as some botanical vibes. So definitely go check out Patreon if you are interested in that. And that's all I got for you guys. Like I said in some of my previous videos, I am switching to digital in August. So I think Black Friday is going to be the last time I'm ever releasing physical stickers, except for patrons. Patrons will continue to get physical sticker kits, but by the end of the year, I will no longer be releasing physical stickers. I will only be releasing the digital version of my sticker kits. It's going to be a little bittersweet, but again, like I've said in some of my previous videos, life is changing. So I've got to adapt to where my life is going. So that's what I got for y'all. So thank you so much. If you want to join Patreon, again, in the description down below. And I will see you next time. Bye, everyone. Happy shopping.